Hi everyone! In this video I used some Clearcast 7000 resin from the Epoxy resin store. It's a 1-to-1 ratio resin and you can do that by volume or weight. The alcohol ink colors that I'll be using are Copic various ink refills in blue violet, acid yellow, and fuchsia. For the petri effect to work, I need to use the Pinata Blanco Blanco white. I also add the white to a little bit of resin and pour that in to make a cloudy kind of effect by swirling it around and then softening it a little with my airbrush. I keep this one fairly simple and I add the same number of drops of the white as I do of the color. Stay to the end for the close-ups of the piece, and I have links below in the description for the products that I use, as well as links to my art shop and ways to support the channel to keep it going in the future. And I also have discount codes and my Amazon shop listed as well. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up and please let me know if you have any questions. Let me know also what you think of this piece in the comments. I'm Elisa with Jots Designs. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.